If your mind can't stop racing and you've been feeling on edge, these crystals will help you find your calm again. In this video, I'll share 10 soothing stones that ease anxiety, balance your energy, and help you feel grounded no matter what life throws at you. Hi, I'm Ethan Lazzarini, and I'm the author of 4 crystal healing books, and I'm here to help you unlock the power of crystals in a way that's clear, empowering, and easy to apply to your everyday life. Anxiety is something that we all experience from time to time. It's actually pretty common. And as with any mental health issue, especially if it's serious, it's important that you do everything you can to manage it and to follow any guidance you've been given from your healthcare provider. Crystals can be a wonderful support, but they should always be used alongside treatments or advice that you've been given, and never as a replacement for professional help, therapy, or medication. That said, many people, including myself, do find crystals to be calming and soothing. So today I'm sharing my personal recommendations for crystals and simple techniques that can help ease anxiety and worry. And some of these you might already know, while others could become new favorites. And stick with me to the end, because I'll guide you through a simple crystal exercise that you can use whenever you are feeling anxious. This list is in no particular order, but first we have turquoise, and this blue stone works on clearing your mind. Turquoise brings your energy back into balance. It helps reduce and absorb the energy of stress and worry, and it soothes your anxieties. You might find it helpful if you have ruminating thoughts, and try placing it over your third eye for 5 to 10 minutes to help with this process. It's deeply healing, and you might find it helpful for getting a better night's sleep. Most turquoise ranges from blue to blue-green, but be sure to buy from a reputable seller, as there are a lot of fakes about. Genuine turquoise is never cheap. Another crystal that many people find helpful for their anxiety is lithium quartz, and I love the smoky lavender colour and the milky fog within a lot of these crystals, and some have violet pink phantoms as well. And lithium quartz helps if you are nervous about things that you can't control. It's a great anxiety support stone. It helps deeply clear your mind of any confusion. It detoxifies negative energy from stress or anxious thoughts. And if your crown chakra is blocked, it will clear that as well. And most of all, just holding it and turning one of these little crystals in your hand feels soothing and calming. If this helps you, consider wearing it as a pendant as well. If you have found this video to be informative and helpful so far, could you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already for more crystal content like this. Thank you. Hematite is an iron-rich mineral, and hematite is on my list because it is an amazing energetic anchor. This earthy stone will help keep you grounded and centered through challenging times. Hematite assists you in getting through periods of worry and dispelling anxious thoughts. It will help you build courage and resilience too. This crystal is traditionally connected to Mars, the Roman warrior god, and to its equivalent of planet in astrology, and it can help you tap into your inner strength. First, it protects your aura from unwanted energy from the outside world, but it also strengthens your resilience to keep going. Just looking at the soft blue colour and these ribbon-like clouds within blue lace agate is so calming. Try this as a kind of visual meditation, and this delicate blue crystal has a peaceful energy that can get you through really troubled times, and it's one of the most calming crystals for me personally. Let this stone soothe you and help you release anxious thoughts and feelings. And if you are feeling anxious, try meditating with it and slowing down your breathing and see how you feel. And another way to use it is to place it over your third eye for 5 to 10 minutes and see how you feel afterwards. Some find amethyst is helpful for both their anxiety and if they are dealing with depression. And this purple crystal is so easy to find and affordable, and you really only need a polished tumbled stone to benefit from it. And it's a transformation crystal, so it can shift you out of your current state into another state. Amethyst soothes anxiety. It can bring about mental clarity. It's a powerful cleanser and it clears stubborn and heavy, negative, stuck energies and emotions. So my tip is to place this over your heart chakra for 15 minutes and it will transmute the heavy feelings and energy that you have building up in this location. And afterwards you'll feel in a much better state. And it's surprising how well this works, and people tell me all the time that they're actually quite surprised about how this works. You don't often see this one recommended, but I always suggest Shiva Lingam for anxiety, and it's a form of a banded jasper that is found in India with these lovely earthy colours. And Shiva Lingams are a very tactile stone and they support your meditation practice. So the smaller ones are ideal for relieving worry and stress because you can kind of hold them in your hands discreetly and roll one about in your fingertips and take some deep breaths. The earthy stone is both balancing and grounding, so it helps you feel safe and secure. And the smaller ones can be carried with you and handled whenever you're feeling anxious, like I said, as a worry stone. And you can also use it for a hand massage, and the smooth end can be used to relieve tension that builds up in your hands, or you could use it on pressure points if you know a little bit about massage. So very useful. This is another one that I rarely hear people mention. So infinite is a form of serpentine and it has these lighter streaks in it and bands. So it has this sage green color and the polished pieces are so nice to touch. And I think this one was from South Africa, but not a very easy one to find, but I think it's worth seeking out if it attracts you. So infinite supports emotional healing. It soothes stress and it helps you release worries that cloud your mind. It feels like infinite helps you access the well of calm that's deep within you. And if you can do an aura clearing meditation or visualization with this crystal while you hold it, it's amazing. Then we have fluorite, and this crystal is mostly transparent and it comes in a variety of jewel tone colors. And for anxiety, I recommend you try a combination of 2 or more colors. Choose any combination of colors that you are drawn to if you're buying a piece, and fluorite helps balance your mind and brings focus. Just looking at it may help you reduce panicking mental states, and this magical crystal is a good balancer of energy in general, and fluorite brings calm to the mind and to the emotions. It's a crystal that can help you get unstuck and get out of your head and put you into a more productive rather than a distracted state of mind. Kunzite is an ethereal violet pink crystal. Transparent gem quality crystals are really expensive, but cheaper, lower grade stones like this one with a more milky looking color will work just as well and have the same energy. So it's got a soothing feminine spiritual vibration that calms you and helps relieve anxiety and worries. Kunzite is purifying high vibration energy and it cuts through mental chaos and illusions. Judy Hall recommended this crystal for panic attacks in her book Crystal Prescriptions, and I have a friend who has used it and she swore by it. She said it worked really well for her. Next we have Lepidolite, and this is another popular stone that you might want to try as well. Lepidolite has these glittering microcrystals inside it, so that's how you won't confuse it with other similar looking purple stones. Lepidolite brings stress relief and anxiety support. It helps you detach from worries and break the cycle of harmful ruminating thoughts. it works like a filter, soaking up lower vibes that you may have created through your emotional state. And Lepidolite can help you balance your mood and uplift your energy. I want to give you a simple crystal technique that you can try with any of the crystals that I've just mentioned. You actually don't need any crystal at all to get a benefit from this exercise though. But I feel if you combine exercises like this with crystals, you'll get so much more out of them. Sit or lay down somewhere quiet if possible, and do not cross your legs or arms, as this will allow your energy to flow more freely and open your lungs up. So hold your crystal in one of your hands if you're working with one, and you could also use a pendant or a bracelet, and breathe slowly and deeply to enough to fill your belly. And as you breathe in, mentally say to yourself, I breathe in positive energy. And you could visualize this as white light if you want to, and then hold the breath for maybe 3 seconds and slowly release it. And as you breathe out, mentally say to yourself, I breathe out negative energy. And you could visualize this as gray or a black smoke leaving your body and floating away. And continue this for at least 5 minutes, up to 10 if possible. And afterwards you can open your eyes and notice how different you feel. Well, I hope these crystals will give you a little more balance and calm in your day. And I'd love to know if you already have a crystal that you reach for when you're feeling anxious. And please share this with everyone in the community in the comments below. And if you'd like to go deeper into relaxation and stress relief, I have an Amethyst meditation that helps clear negative energy, and a grounding meditation that helps you feel centered. So check those out on my channel. Take a deep breath, and I'll see you in the next one.